Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to transfer money with Kiwibank. Now, open the mobile banking app and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, tap on the Pay and Transfer option located in the bottom of the screen. From the options available, select Transfer Money. Under the Form section, tap Select an account, then choose the account from which you want to transfer money. Under To section, tap Select an account. Choose the account you wish you want to transfer the money. If required, enter any details from the statement or reference. This could include the reason for the transfer or any special notes. After entering all the necessary information, tap Make Transfer to proceed. Now review all the details of the transaction and select Confirm to complete the transfer. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.